Before you continue, it can be useful to check your current password strength. Different services use different strength metrics to give you different strength scores, but if you try 2 or 3 of them, you'll get a general idea about how secure your password is. Here are some of them. Let's take, for example, the Kaspersky.com service. Let us switch to passwordkaspersky.com, a very well-made website for checking your passwords. It also supports a bunch of languages, even Klingon. This is super. So, what I'm going to do is to demonstrate to you what these websites, password checkers, what they do. I will take the password that I used to use some years ago for a bunch of my web services, which now I don't do. Okay, so this is my password. I will just copy and paste it. And as you can see, this password can be brute forced by an average MacBook Pro in 20 hours. In real environment, when passwords are brute forced by a powerful grid of cloud-based VPSs, they're very powerful. They can do it much faster than in 20 hours, believe me. Not in 1 second, they're not supercomputers, but a couple of hours will do the job. Okay, so how will this all change if we, for example, add an uppercase and we'll add a symbol? Let's go on. As you can see that these simple manipulations extend the period of brute force up to 9 days. And if we follow the rule of 10 character password, as you can see, this password is 8 characters long, and we add, for example, 1 uppercase symbol and 1 special symbol. As you can see, these manipulations extend the period of brute force attack up to 3 years. In case that you change your passwords regularly, at least twice a year, these manipulations should do the trick. Okay, you also can go on and check the other websites, go and check your passwords. And maybe you will find a way to maybe modify the passwords you use to make it much less hackable.